We're gonna create with AI an ad that looks extremely realistic. This is not a cinematic trailer. This is a homemade video that needs to look imperfect. And let me show you what we were able to create.
Ladies, I'm about to show you the viral gelatin mix, or better yet, the $2 natural Mounjaro that transformed my body. This was me before at my heaviest.
And honey, I know I'm no spring chicken, but now my belly fat is gone, and best of all, I did it right from my own home.
I first saw it on a short NBC and Women's Health piece that wasn't meant to air about a gelatin plus 3-ingredient mix top celebs use to melt stubborn belly fat. I had tried everything, low-carb, low-fat diets. None of those worked.
Just tap the Learn More button below and watch it now before they take it down for good.
Let me show you exactly how we did it, and we are using just one single AI app. Now, this ad that I will show you is an ad that a friend of mine sent me from the weight loss industry, and this is producing hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. At first look, at first glance, it seems like, this cannot be. But actually, these type of real reality type of ads are what actually work. They don't look synthetic, they don't look artificial. So if we scroll to this, we can see something being prepared, some kind of a food thing. We have here a shot, a handheld shot with a photo and a phone. And we have here our speaker or actor speaking on camera. And then again, a couple of shots, prepare something and put it in the fridge. And it's kind of like a jelly product. And in the back here, you can see the product. The first step here is that we want the AI to understand what's going on in this video. I'm going to go to the AI Media Machine. The link to the AI Media Machine is in the description of this video. So first step, I need to analyze this video. So I'm going to go to the video analyzer. I'll just take this videos file that I've saved and just drop it in here. Now I want to give it a couple of instructions because it will break down all the shots, but I want to recreate this specific aesthetic. So it must look real. And you see this is not shot with a 4K camera or with any type of advanced camera. Even if you think about it, it's not even shot on the latest iPhone. But you know what? This is what converts in the weight loss niche, and this is what we want to do. Let's mention this. I want you to pay specific attention to the quality of the shot, the quality of the image, because this looks very much like an older camera or like a phone camera, and it has that specific blurriness that I need you to describe in detail, because I want to recreate this exact look that looks a little bit grainy, that is not studio quality and looks like an amateur shot. But this is very important because this is the exact style of video that we want to recreate. So make sure that you clearly describe what you're seeing so we can recreate exactly this. As you can see in the AI Media Machine, all you got to do is in your own words explain what you want. I'm going to click on Analyze here, but you also have this option to add additional instructions, so that the AI is watching the video, but it's gonna put more emphasis on specific stuff that you want from it. Now, I also want to include this phrase. Also give me the prompt to create the character separately so I have it with all the details of making the shot look imperfect. And here we have our character description for the image generation. Okay, here we have that. We're gonna copy this entire shot, plus we're gonna copy this of the image quality. This is very important. And go to the AI cinematographer, go to the starting shot tab. I'm going to click here on the pro shot, and we're going to describe our first frame. Now this is just to create our character, and I'm going to be adding this character right here. Now I'm going to choose portrait mode, and we're going to go with 2K. That's enough. I'm going to click on generate starting shot. Okay, so we have our character here. Let's download this image. The skin has imperfections. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. And I'm going to go back to the video analyzer tool right here. And when you scroll down, you can click on create storyboard. And in this case, I'm just going to click on regenerate, but you click on the button that there's going to be a blue button that says generate. Just click on it and it will generate a set of storyboards for you. So now we have the storyboard prompt, and we're going to have here the character, and we're also going to have here the Jello product. And we are going to change that Jello product with a different product. So let's click on this customize with AI button, and let's tell it to customize it. I want you to change the Jello product to my own product called, and I've just found here a product that I think is interesting, and I'll just copy its name, and I will upload an image with this specific product. This is what I want you to use. I will also upload a specific image with our character and make sure that we use her and make sure that we keep all the imperfections. So now this entire prompt has been updated, and now I'll send this to the storyboard generator. All we got to do is upload the images that we talked about. So first of all, I'll upload here the image of this product, this new product. And second, I want to upload the image with our new character. We'll select vertical shot and click on generate storyboard. Now this will take a couple of minutes because this is going to be a huge image. Okay, so we have our images. Now take a look. I mean, this looks absolutely amazing. Now the next step is really simple. We just select the images that we want from this grid. So except the image number 8, I want all of them. Okay, so let's select them like this. And I'm gonna click on extract selected. And this will extract the images. Okay, so now we're gonna download each image. Now if you take a look at these images, they look absolutely amazing. Look how realistic this is. This is superb. I really, really like it. Very good. Okay. So now it's time to make the videos. I'm gonna go back to the Generate tab. For this shot, we're gonna go with the Pro version because this can create vertical videos also. So we're gonna select 9:16 TikTok portrait. And we also have the first frame and last frame option. Most of the time, you're only gonna be using the first frame. Let's start with our character. Let's add it here. Now let's take a look at the character analyzer and see what's happening in each shot.
Ladies, I'm about to show you the viral jet.
So we can see in the first shot, we have here the first 6 seconds. The action says, the hand meticulously adds ingredients, mixing them with the spoon. The powders mix in the bowl. I'm gonna take this, just write this in, and also make sure that we're using, for these type of preparation shots, cooking shots, we only want the video and maybe some sound effects. Subtle mixing sounds. This is going to be good enough. Okay. The camera moves with the hand. So we are going to generate a video right here, and let's see how this looks. So now we have our video. We can take a look here. Very interesting. We only need a part of it to look right. So now I'm going to use the next shot and add it right here. So this is what's going on in the original ad. So this is a handheld shot, and the action says the hand scoops the mixed powder and pours them into a red liquid. Now I'm going to describe this shot in a very simple way. Handheld camera is also moving as the woman is stirring the white powder in the glass. Amateur shot, slight camera shake, trying to follow the hand. And I also add in, of course, subtle mixing sound and no voice, because we don't want to generate the voice right here. Now I'm going to click on generate video right here, and you can see this looks absolutely perfect. We have that slow camera movement that is so imperfect. Now this is going to be our next shot here. We're going to keep this description: amateur shot, slight camera shake, trying to follow the hand. Now the AI analyzer actually made a really good prompt in this case for us. So the hand holds the measuring cup and pours the liquid carefully and steadily into each mold, filling them one by one. The liquid flows smoothly. I'm going to copy this and add it right here. And let's select 6 seconds in this case. And also click on Generate Pro Video. And let's take a look. I would say that looks really, really good. Now, if you want an even better effect, what you can do is use the first frame shot and also add a last frame shot. Because as you can see, we have here, this is the first frame where the video generation is going to start. And we also have here the last frame where the completed action can be seen. I'm adding this last frame also in here and also making the shot a little longer, namely 8 seconds in duration. So if we take a look at this new video, I think this is looking really good. The next part is going to be to continue from this exact shot. And this is a really cool feature that I want to show you. Now, we are going to start with this last frame image. We're going to start with the first frame, but here we add this last frame image. Okay, what we used last time on the last frame is gonna be this time our first frame. Okay, and the last frame is gonna be this shot as she's holding that mold in her hand. So the hand holds the mold and lifts it up the table. We can keep the same settings and let's generate the video. Okay, so we have the shot here. Let's see. All I want is this shot. So now in the next shot, I'll remove the last frame. I'm going to be using only the first frame. And let's add this shot where she's putting the cubes into the fridge. So we can say she's putting the mold in the fridge and closing the door. I'll keep the rest. Amateur shot, slide camera shake, trying to follow the hand. And this is going to be a shorter one, 5 seconds. And let's generate the video. So here we have our video. Perfect, so we have this shot. So now I want to create the shot where she's pointing at the phone. Let's add it right here to the first frame. And let's take a look at the analyzer. And it's a very simple shot. We even have in the video analyzer the prompt for it. And we can copy this one and directly go here to our prompt description. Hand gestures by tapping on the phone and the screen, emphasizing the before image, and click on generate. So now we have this shot also. Let's take a look. I think that's pretty cool. So now let's continue with this shot where she's talking about the product. So as you can see, we have even her words here, the exact narration that she's saying. We're going to use this. We're going to keep this in quotes. And the AI will understand that this is what the actor should say. And let's generate it.
Honey, I know I'm no spring chicken, but now my belly fat is gone, and best of all, I did it right from my own home.
I think this is good, but I do get the feeling that we could do much, much better. And to do that, we need to change the angle that she is looking at the camera. She should be holding the phone, like something like here. As you can see at this angle, if I could get this angle, and to realize this, all we got to do is make sure that the initial image is just like this, and we can do that. Now to get closer to this look, let's take a snapshot of this exact video, and let's go to the starting shot tool in the cinematographer, click on the Pro, and now we're going to upload a couple of these images. First of all, we will upload our image with our main character. Next, we will upload also the screenshot that we just took of the original ad video. And I also want to add here the product in the background. In the original video that you see here, we have this jello and the box in the background and so on. Let's give it a prompt. I want you to change the camera angle of the first woman so that she is holding the phone just like the woman in the second picture. So this is a handheld shot. She's shooting with an older smartphone using the front-facing camera. Now, as you can see, we have a perfect image right here. And this is exactly what we wanted. The angle, the product, everything is there. You always give the AI more feedback. You mention what you want in it, what you don't want in it. And yes, you can add multiple images, just like I've done in this one. Now, I'm going to download this image and let's take a look. Notice that we have in the background the product and we have this low quality style of look. This is exactly what we wanted because we have this blurriness, and this is very much intentional. That's actually harder to remake with AI now. Let's animate this and let's make a video from this shot. I'm going to click on make a video and we're going to go with the Pro version. Now let's go to the video analyzer for the text. Let's add this here. Perfect. Let's say handheld. I will also say handheld camera, slightly shaking as she's holding and talking. Now your dialogue must be in quotes and the AI will interpret this as spoken words. The next step is to select the duration. I think this is something about around 6 to 7 seconds. Let's go with 7 seconds in this case and click on generate video. Here we have our own video. Let's see.
And honey, I know I'm no spring chicken, but now my belly fat is gone, and best of all, I did it right from my own home.
Oh, this is amazing. I like it. I like it, but she's not holding the camera. there's that mistake. This could pass because it's like she's putting the phone, her camera on the tripod. So this could work. But in this case, I want to do another shot and instruct the AI that she's holding on to the phone, and that's how she's shooting the video. So let's be more specific with the camera. She's holding the camera, slightly shaking as she's talking. So I think this is going to be better. Let's generate this again. Okay, so now we have the final video and this looks really good. Let's take a look.
And honey, I know I'm no spring chicken, but now my belly fat is gone, and best of all, I did it right from my own home.
Wow, that is absolutely amazing. Like the way she smiles, the way she holds that bottle. I mean, that is amazing. Like, look how realistic the product looks. And take a look, there's even a shot of reflection there on the table. Everything looks realistic. I love it. We're going to open up a simple editing app and just piece all of these shots together. Now, of course, you can also create the voiceovers in the AI Media Machine. We have a voiceover creator, and all you got to do is from the analyzer, for the video analyzer, you just add the text that you want. Now, this has been proven that this is a very high performing ad, so I'm going to be using this text. I'll use that and I'll use it in our ad. Let's choose a voice and click on generate the voiceover, and in a couple of seconds we have a voice.
Ladies, I'm about to show you the viral gelatin mix, or better yet, the $2 natural Mounjaro that transformed my body.
I'm going to continue with the same approach. Now, as you can see, this is a very simple edit. All I had to do is just put each video side by side and just put a voiceover below them. Now, in case of the audio that we had already on the talking avatar, you can modulate, you can change the pitch of it. And let me give you a quick hint on it. So if you click on this effect and click on effects here, in the effects tools, there's something called pitch shifter, and you add it from here, pitch shifter. And once you add this effect over any audio, you can change its pitch. So for example, this was the original pitch.
I'm no spring chicken, but now my belly fat is gone, and best of all.
And my other voiceover had a different pitch. Take a listen.
This was me before at my heaviest.
So there was a difference, and it's very simple. All you want to do is just add this pitch shifter, and with this you can make the pitch of the voice go lower or higher, like that. Very simple. So take a look.
And honey, I know I'm no spring chicken, but now my belly...
And you can go super low. Okay, and that's really simple. That's how you play with the voice, so the voice kind of matches. And now let's take a look.
Ladies, I'm about to show you the viral gelatin mix, or better yet, the $2 natural Mounjaro that transformed my body. This was me before at my heaviest.
And honey, I know I'm no spring chicken, but now my belly fat is gone, and best of all, I did it right from my own home.
I first saw it on a short NBC and Women's Health piece that wasn't meant to air about a gelatin plus 3-ingredient mix top celebs use to melt stubborn belly fat. I had tried everything, low-carb, low-fat diets. None of those worked.
Just tap the Learn More button below and watch it now before they take it down for good.
Look how realistic this is. Look even the way she's tapping on the mold, and the way the shadows and the lights play once she's moving her head. I mean, this is crazy realistic. Okay, so it's really simple. If you want to create ads as good as this, then all you got to do is go to the AI Media Machine. The link is in the description of this video, and you'll be able to make ads like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.